So what's up, everybody? Been a couple days, about a week actually. Haven't been feeling well, so haven't been to the gym. But that's gonna change today. Finally feel better, so gonna get back to it. But before I go, I thought I would do my first unboxing video. And I got a subscription box called TheLiftBox. And I thought I would unbox it and show you what's in it. I've already opened it and looked through it, so I do know what's in it, but still figured I would let you all see it as well. So here we go. It comes with t-shirt, supplements, and like samples with snacks and stuff of that sort. So I'll start with the small stuff and leave the t-shirt for last. We have this deodorant. So I don't know if it's any good, but I'll use it once I run out of what I'm currently using. This is pretty odd, but and not very healthy in my opinion. We have an energy drink, Rain energy drink, white haze, maybe. Then we have a snack, like air, classic popcorn, only 80 calories. Then we have what I believe is pre-workout stuff from Protocol Performance. We have pre-workout and then pump. I may try this one today since it's been about a week. Probably need the boost. I have another snack here. Almond blueberry organic toasty bar. Only has 130 calories. Then we have some Devotion branded, it's kind of like vitamin infused hydration. This one is Rocket Pop flavored. And we have another one, strawberry watermelon. These will probably be good. Another snack, Monk Pack protein breakfast bar. 1 gram of sugar, 10 grams of protein, peanut butter chocolate flavored. It has 170 calories. Another snack, because well, I don't know what the brand name is, but it's maple pecan granola bites. The packaging looks familiar, but I'm not sure. So we have that. And another snack. Gluten-free brand. No, Gluten-Free Brothers. The Gluten-Free Brothers brand. Dark chocolate and peanut butter granola balls. It has 160 calories, which isn't too bad. 3 bites, 1 serving. So that's all the supplements and snacks. I've never tried any of this stuff except I've had Rain energy drink before. Not this flavor, but yeah. Now for the main reason I bought the box. And I got it on sale. They're not sponsoring, but they had a sale where they were giving it for half price. And so what I did was I went to the website, looked over it, then a day or two later I got an email giving me a 50% off coupon. So that's when I pulled the trigger. It's normally $40 a month. And I'm gonna give it one more shot and see how it goes. And I'll go from there on whether to keep the subscription or not. But I mainly did it for the t-shirts. You can get a t-shirt or you can get a tank top. I chose tank top. As I said, it's normally $40. You get it around mid-month, they said. You pay the first of every month. It renews the first of every month. But here's the t-shirt. Comes in this here bag. I guess I forgot to show you. This is what the box looks like. The condition for the mission. Oh, it says it's veteran owned and operated, which is another reason I decided to give it a shot. Always good to support our veterans. So here we go. Here's the t-shirt. Not bad. Might be hard to see. It says built differently or built different. Pretty nice. Feels pretty soft. It is. It does not say what it's made of on the tag, but it feels pretty soft overall. But again, like I said, first unboxing video. I will let you know in about a week or so, or maybe less, how all the food tastes. And whenever I use the deodorant, I will let you know if it seems better than store-bought. It's made by Stink Bug. I didn't notice that. So that's the name brand. So we'll see how that goes. But today's Saturday, the 31st of May. So I hope everybody has a great day and get out there, kill it, get it done, and have a great Saturday.